Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Krita tutorials how to make a normal map. We have this example texture, and if you want to create a normal map, you can go to filter, click on edge detection, and then click hide to normal map. You can change like blue into red, and after it you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Krita tutorials how to make a normal map. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.